In this demonstration, we're going to take a look at the integration that we created for Infor CRM and Creatio Marketing. Infor CRM is a popular CRM platform. However, it does not have a built-in digital marketing solution. So we created an integration between it and Creatio Marketing to sort of put together a very high-performing total system for our Infor customers who also want to do some digital marketing with that platform. And so here inside of Infor, we're looking at John Abbott contact record in Infor, and there are two new tabs, Creatio Emails and Creatio Campaigns. So this is data that's syncing over from Creatio, and in the Creatio Campaigns tab, we're looking at two different campaigns that John Abbott was included in. He was part of the Creatio audience for these campaigns, and so we see that information here on his contact record. If we go to the emails, Creatio Emails tab, we see the individual email performance. Now these emails may have been individual emails sent from Creatio or part of one of these two marketing campaigns. So we see the total of all the different email blasts that he was part of, and we get to see the name of the email campaign. We get to see when it was sent, what type it was, and then also the responses. So this is dynamic. These responses change over time as he interacts with the emails that he was sent through our bulk email campaign. We can see that he clicked on some things. It was delivered. In this case, this one is ready to send, not yet gone out. We can also see how many times he opened these marketing emails and how many times he would have clicked on one of the links, clickable links within the digital marketing email itself from Creatio. And if we go now to the Creatio side, we can see a new entity over on the navigation panel, and these are groups of Infor records that were synced over to Creatio. So it's a segmentation that was built in Infor using the groups feature in Infor, and we decided to bring those over into Creatio because we want to market to them. And so this particular one is Creatio Marketing Sync. That's one of the groups in Infor. We can see who the members of that group are from Infor, and if it's a contact that did not exist in Creatio, it will create it for you in Creatio as a new contact. If it's an existing contact, it'll update any new information that may be part of that contact record in Infor. You can also see that we have the ability to periodically refresh this group. So the integration with the groups works with both dynamic and static or ad hoc groups in Infor. But if it's a dynamic group or an ad hoc group, you can periodically refresh it. And so that way, if you're going to send another email campaign to this particular group, if there's any new contacts that have been added since the last time this group was synced, they're going to automatically be pulled into this contact group here in Creatio. So then if we want to add a new group, we can just click on the Add Infor Group Sync, and this gives you a drop down of all the current groups that are available, contact groups that are available in Infor, and you can just choose a group and sync those contacts over to Creatio. And what it ends up doing in Creatio, if we go to the contacts area here, it's going to create a new folder. They're called folders in Creatio. They're called groups in Infor. But it creates a new folder under the Infor Groups parent folder. And you can see that same list of contacts here. So each time you sync a group, it's going to add a new folder with those contacts in it over here in Creatio. So now these are available to become your target audience for a Creatio marketing email blast.